Hello, and welcome to Convocation Hall, one of our most historic buildings on campus. Emory was originally founded in 1836 in Oxford, Georgia. In 1915, we relocated to our current location after Asa Griggs Candler, the CEO and founder of Coca-Cola, donated $1 million and 72 acres of land. Convocation Hall was built just 1 year after. The building was originally intended to house the theology building, and you can still see small ornamental carvings on the side depicting religious images. Over the years, various departments have occupied the space in Convocation Hall, but most of that time was spent as a theology library. In 2014, the building underwent renovation, and now it's home to the office of the president. The building was given the name Convocation Hall because convocation means both a formal assembly and a gathering of peoples, which is the Emory mascot. So it's a fitting name for a building that has served as a gathering place for generations of Emory students. Convocation Hall is on our historic quadrangle, or the Quad for short. The Quad is home to two of Emory's most beloved traditions, the Coke Toast and Commencement. In 2021, President Biden gave a speech from Convocation Hall during a visit to Atlanta to meet with the API community leaders. At Emory, we take pride in our rich history and traditions, and we're excited for you to be a part of that. Let's keep exploring and discover more about what makes Emory so special.